Title: Alone and by Myself. The God of Isaiah 44:24 is Jesus. Series: Jesus Christ, the Creator, one with the Father. Before we go anywhere else in Scripture, let's start where God Himself made a claim no man, no angel, and no prophet could ever make. Isaiah 44:24, KJV. Thus saith the Lord thy Redeemer, and He that formed thee from the womb, I am the Lord that maketh all things, that stretcheth forth the heavens alone, that spreadeth abroad the earth by myself. God says He made everything, the heavens, the earth, you, and me. And He didn't need help. He didn't call on Gabriel. He didn't consult Michael. He didn't use a junior assistant called Jesus, the lesser God. No, He says, I did it alone. I did it by myself. Let that sink in. Now here's the divine challenge. We move to the New Testament and we read something that shocks every skeptic, every Jehovah's Witness, every doubter who claims Jesus is not God. John chapter 1:10, KJV. He was in the world, and the world was made by Him, and the world knew Him not. Who is the He? Jesus, the one who came unto His own, and His own received Him not. John 1:11. The Word made flesh. John 1:14. And the Word was God. John chapter 1:1. So let's lay this out clearly. Isaiah 44:24. Jehovah says He made the world alone. John chapter 1:10. The world was made by Jesus. Conclusion? Jesus is that Jehovah. To deny this is to call the Bible a lie or claim we have two creators, one in heaven and one on earth. But God says He will not share His glory with another. Isaiah 42:8. He says there is no other God beside Him. Isaiah 45:5. He says He knows not any. Isaiah 44:8. So to claim Jesus is not God creates a crisis. Either the Bible contradicts itself or Jesus is the God of Isaiah 44:24. There is no third option. Jehovah's Witnesses will say, no, Jesus was created by Jehovah and then Jehovah used Him to create all things. But if that were true, Isaiah 44:24 would be a lie. God says He was alone. That means no helpers, no partners. Alone means alone. And here's where it gets even more serious. Colossians 1:16 says, by Him, Jesus, were all things created. All things were created by Him and for Him. That's not a helper. That's the source. Jesus didn't help make the world. He made it. The heavens and earth are His idea, His design, His creation. So here is the challenge to every skeptic, imam, pastor, priest, and non-believer. If Jesus made the world, and God says He made the world alone, how can Jesus not be God? If He isn't God, then either God lied in Isaiah, or the apostles lied in the New Testament, or your doctrine is false. There's no room for error here. Eternity depends on it. This is why John 1:1 is so powerful. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The Creator didn't stay distant. He stepped into His own creation. He was born of a virgin, lived among sinners, died on a cross, and rose from the dead. The one who created the universe with His words died to redeem the very people He formed with His hands. He made the world alone, and now He offers salvation alone. Not through a religion, not through a prophet, but through Jesus Christ, the Creator God in human flesh.